Hello ladies and gentlemen, here welcome back to the studio with our supplier interviews. I'm very proud to have 3 guests here now in my studio. That's the first time during the show that I have 3 guests in my studio and it feels very good. I'm proud to welcome here Mr. Jack on my left side from JINBAO, JINBAO Machinery, also Miss Christina on the left side from Tiancen and Zhengrun, and on my right side Mr. Lu from Shanghai Tiancen. So thank you so much for joining in today. I have prepared 2 questions per supplier, and I can hope that it gives you some broad overview about their product portfolio. But of course, if you wish to get more information after this interview, you can join our matchmaking, request a match with one of those suppliers, or maybe send someone here. They are always here on the booth ready for the customers to visit them. Just let us know when you need any support, and my guests are very happy to support and also reply you at any time. So we are starting with Zhejiang JINBAO Machinery. Mr. Jack on my left side. JINBAO is a machinery manufacturer focused on manufacturing large-scale printing machinery and also equipment. And Mr. Jack, I noticed that JINBAO offers 2 different types of fully automatic rotary screen printing machines.
Yes.
Can you give us a brief introduction of each of this machine, because they are you have 2 different in your product portfolio?
Yes. First, we have 2 kinds of different automatic machine. One of them is swing cylinder. We call it swing rotary. It means the cylinder in the machine is go 180 and back. Another one is stop cylinder, and another kind of word is stop rotary. The cylinder goes 360 degrees, keep going on. And the difference from these 2 machines, it is the swing cylinder machine, the precision, it is 0.1 millimeter. And the stop cylinder, it is 0.07 millimeter. It is high precision. And another one is the speed. The swing cylinder machine speed is about maximum about 3,000 pieces per hour. But the stop cylinder can be 4,000 max.
Okay.
And now we have the fastest machine shown here. It is 5,000 pieces per hour.
Wow.
Controlled by several control.
Okay. So 0.1 millimeter. I think it can't be more precise. That is a very accurate machine. You have been a leading enterprise in the domestic market. I think most of the buyers, they know your brand, they know your company. But what are your ambitions, let's say, in the overseas markets? I have attended some exhibitions abroad, and I saw sometimes also your brand presenting the machines. How's your progress in expanding into the overseas markets?
In fact, we already do this job since maybe 19 years ago. And in fact, we sold many machines to the overseas market.
Yes.
And now, you know, the COVID or I don't care about the name of the virus.
Sure.
And it is a terrible nightmare for all over the world. This year we make some videos and something like internet connecting with the customer, and we show the machine to the customers. And I think when the virus goes on, we will
meet again personally, right?
Yes, meet again with the customer. Because we have the chain. We have very good relationship with the customer all the time. But because of the virus, we cannot meet each other.
Yes.
But anyway, we will try our best. And after sale, good machine, it is our point.
Yeah, JINBAO keeps being engaged with their customers digitally during those difficult times. And as I said at the beginning, if you wish to talk more with Mr. Jack, please send a request, leave us a message, and our TAP team will get back to you and arrange online matchmaking during the show or also after the show. Both is okay. Thank you, Jack, for answering my questions. I also, Jack can hand over the microphone to Miss Christina. I also want to mention to our viewers at home why we have 3 companies here. The reason is that all these 3 companies, JINBAO, Zhengrun, and also Tiancen, they belong to the Zhongde Group. Yeah? So we wanted to talk to everyone, not only to one, and that is the reason why we have all three here together. Christina, let's get to your company, Tiancen and Zhengrun Machinery. It was founded in 1997, I saw, and your products are being exported already also into the European market, of course also Asia, Africa, in total maybe more than 80 countries or regions, you can say. Can you give us some insights about your automatic rigid box maker?
Thank you. This time we bring new product is the RB380. It inherits the advantage of RB185A with 3 camera positioning system. The precision can be 0.1 millimeter, and also we make it more smarter and more efficiency. This time, for example, we use almost 45 servo motor to control the whole machine. For the running, it's more smart and convenient and more efficiency for customer to use it.
Okay. What makes your machinery, because if you export into 80 countries abroad, that means actually your machinery is already well developed. Otherwise you can't export into so many countries. What makes your machinery so advanced in the folding carton box area? What makes your machinery so special in the folding in the business area you're operating in? Do you have any, let's say, advanced technology that is like actually letting the buyers from overseas buying your machine?
Our machine uses the digital controller. For example, for the feeder, we use servo pneumatic to control the feeder, paper feeder without stop. This is one point. Another point is for the positioning. We use the 3 camera position system, and it can be 0.1 millimeter for precision. For this one have another one is this machine we developed with 2 box wrap, so it can make almost double faster than the normal rigid box machine. The speed can be 60 pieces per minute. So one time it can get 2 heads for finished products. And also the pressure for adjusting can be instead of bubble press, without bubble press, because we can use the servo to adjust the pressure to make it more tighter. So it also can save charge for customer. Another one is for the stacking. Stacking, we use it for without stop stacking devices to about the cardboard. It can use it full automatic, and we can stick with a small size.
Okay, thank you, Christina. Those are a lot of benefits indeed for the machine. To summarize, highly automated and also very accurate production control with several cameras equipped on the machine. I'm very happy now to have on my right side Mr. Lu from Shanghai Tianjin. Tianjin has been committed to the research and development of high-end laminating equipment. Mr. Lu, since your company has been committed to the production of these laminators, we would like to know, can you give us some more details about these laminators and why they are so special in the market?
Our company, the film lamination machine, its cutting method is hot knife. Hot knife means it can cut in all kinds of films, PET, OPP, also the metallized film. And this expression based on our existing automation systems like the non-stop feeder, non-stop stacker, automatic mesh belt height control. We upgrade to the paper palette automatic position control. So this can make our customers save a lot of time to adjust the paper before their production.
When the order change, it's very easy to change, to equip the machine, right? Get the machine ready for the new order.
Yes.
Right? I noticed also that your company has a cooperation with Huawei Machinery. It's not the Huawei brand, I think we all know. But in what form do you collaborate with other companies? How can your customers benefit from your cooperation with other companies? Not only your company, but also the whole group, the whole Zhongde Group?
This is a much frequency question because every exhibition we our 4 companies
Together?
Yes, together. So customer will ask, what's the relationship between you? For example, Huawei and Tiancen, we are 2 production base in different cities. And Huawei is produced thermal film. Because for the lamination machines, we have water-based glue and thermal film. Huawei is mainly production is thermal film, and Tiancen is for the hot knife. But actually, we have third one. Our new, bigger, much more bigger production base is under building. And the relationship between our group is we share the much more market.
Yeah, that's indeed true. So you can see that when you approach the Zhongde Group, you can get different solutions out of one hand, which is economic and also, of course, at the end, cost efficient, I think. And the good thing is you have one key contact who can help you in different areas. So thank you so much for joining us here today in the studio. Thank you, Christina. Thank you also, Mr. Lu, and thank you also, Mr. Jack. We are very happy to receive your requests. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And thank you for watching. We will be back soon with another supplier interview. But before that, we have a clip for you. Stay tuned and see you soon again.